Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing and clicking on the bell for notifications for when my videos go live. So with that, let's get on with it. Oh, and give this video a thumbs up even before you watched it, so you don't forget later. So I have bought myself, yes, I bought these. These are HDMI 2-meter cables. I've got 2 packs. Now the reason I bought these is because one of my screens, is normally the left one, keeps going blank. So at first I thought maybe it's a setting, or maybe it's the videos I'm watching. So when I'm watching, say for instance, a movie or sometimes YouTube videos, the left hand screen would just go blank, and I think, why is it doing that? Then I thought perhaps it's a setting in the graphics card, like HDR or something like that. It could be, you never know. So I played about with that and played about with all the settings, put them all back to defaults and everything like that. I've done it on the monitors and in the software as well, just to see, you know, what was causing the problem, and I couldn't find any issues. So I thought, well, what's the next step? HDMI cables, buy some new ones. Right, so these are from a company called Sniokco. I'm not sure if I pronounced that wrong. They are 10K, 8K HDMI. I'm not sure how that works. It says 10K, 8K. What is it? Make your mind up. It's either 10K or 8K. Well, I suppose it depends on what performance you want out of it. These are HDMI 2.1 cables, and they're 2 meters long. 2 packs. Yeah. Link in the video description below. Certified for 48 gigabytes per second, ultra high speed HDMI cables, 0.01 milliseconds response time, 4K at 240 Hz, 165 Hz, 120 Hz, 8K, 60 Hz, eARC, Netflix compatible, HDCP. Now I did think about the HDCP. Let me know in the comments whether you think it might be that, because I haven't really played about that. 2.3, 2.2 DTSX HDR10 Plus. It works on TV monitors, projectors, Roku, is it Roku? Roku, Sniokco, PS5, and of course the Xbox. So it should be perfect for virtually anything, and it shouldn't cause me to lose my monitor. Now if these don't work, then I know it's something else, and I've got a feeling, well, I'm hoping this will work and cure my problem. Otherwise, I think it might be something else like HDCP or something like that. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you think. So with that, there's not a lot to look at really. They're just cables. Okay, certified cables. Let me get that right. So it says on there, on that side, it says HDMI 10K UHD, and then on this side it says HDMI 8K, and it's repeated on the other end. That don't look like 2 meters, does it? I hope it is, because that's what it says on the pack, and I've had them for a little while now because I've been busy making other videos about other things, and I thought, oh, I need to get this one out of the way because I'm fed up my monitor keep going off, and it's only that one. But then the other one is my main monitor, you know you set one monitor as number 1, the other monitor as number 2. So number 1, number 2. Yeah, I know. I'm going to have to measure up, you know, just to make sure. But like I said, I'm hoping it is just a cable. It's quite a thin cable, actually. Well, I still have my doubts. Although, you know, it probably is 2 meters. I'm going to have a measure up right now, and I'll let you know straight away. Well, it is 2 meters, but it's 2 meters from the tip to the tip. Normally, I would measure it from the neck to the neck. So it's 2 meters exactly from tip to tip. Something you need to bear in mind, especially if it's going to be tight cable fitting. Maybe get a bigger size. So with that, I'm going to fit them. I'm not going to do a video showing you how I'm fitting them because it's a pain in the butt. But I will fit them in, and then I'm going to give them a test, and I'll get back to you after about probably a few days, maybe a week, if I have any more issues, depending on how I get on. I'll be right back. Right, so it is what? 2 weeks? 2 weeks since I've done that last bit of video, and voila, it is fixed. I've had no more issue with that monitor going off. So it's definitely the cable. I don't know why I only done it to that one, so it must have been a dodgy cable. Perhaps, I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. But yeah, it's working perfectly. I've not had any problem whether I'm watching videos or whether I'm watching YouTube with that wandering off on a black screen and then coming back whenever it feels like a loose cable. It could have been just it wasn't making proper contact. I don't know. But changing the cable has worked. The only thing I did find is, I would have preferred the cable to be a little bit longer. So next time I'll probably get 2.5 meters if they do that. Maybe, hopefully. Just give you that bit more play, I mean, it fits, don't get me wrong, but it is on the limit. And I think, I could have done with a little bit more cable. So something to bear in mind. So, with that, yeah, I'm very happy with the cables. They do everything they're supposed to do. And they keep my monitors running. Or allow me to see what I'm looking at. Link in the video description in case you want to buy one. They didn't send them to me. They could have done. I could have asked for them, but I wanted to try it out for myself. So link in the video description if you want to go and buy them. They are quite a thin cable. I'm quite surprised at how thin they are. Considering they do up to 10K. Who's got a 10K TV? I haven't. But they do up to 10K apparently. I can't prove it because I haven't got a 10K TV. Maybe one day. So with that, let me know in the comments whether you think this video is any good or it's helped you to solve any of your issues. And with that, if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Ching ching.